I recently read the book Spark Joy by Marie Kondo to understand the life changing magic of tidying up, and it has completely changed my perspective. Not only did I feel super inspired to clean my bedroom, but this time I actually felt like it would always be tidy because I cracked that life hack to keep it that way. So, let me get started and tell you all the important steps that you need to take, just like me, to tidy up your space. Step 1: finish discarding first. Whatever items you haven't been using in the last 6 months and you know you won't use them, either donate or discard them. I have had products lying around my house that are near to expiry and I never even used them once. When I began that discarding process, I was able to find new products like this, brand new products that I didn't even open the package of and I didn't even use them once. So discarding helped me find such new products and give them their own space so that they don't get wasted. Also, I don't know about you, but I find it extremely satisfying to throw away any old products or any products that have expired. It makes me feel like a fresh start, like I'm getting rid of some kind of bad energy or bad vibes around the house. Step 2: tidy by category and not by location. Most of us start our tidying process by focusing on one location like our bedroom or like our kitchen, but according to Marie Kondo, we must always tidy based on the category. So for example, if you start with the clothes category, tidy every item of clothing in your house in just one spot. Any clothing item that you have, if you own 2 or 3 closets, make sure that you tackle the clothing category first and then move to the next category. Step 3: always ask yourself if it sparks joy. Now this is the most important step. An item could either be sentimental or something that's not even quite useful, but you can still keep it because it brings you true happiness. Items that bring you joy must also be kept at a place where it's more visible. For me, my skincare routine and my skincare products are items of joy. Taking care of my skin is a form of self-love practice that I really enjoy every day. That's the reason I have my Tatcha skincare kit, which can easily be placed somewhere inside a drawer and can be hidden instead of being placed outside. But I prefer to keep it at a spot where I can always see it because it reminds me of that skincare ritual and how I'm taking care of my skin, and that brings me a lot of joy. Find any products or things that bring you joy and place it at a spot where you know you're going to see it every day. Step 4: keep items in gray zone. So for any products that you're unsure about, don't worry. Keep it for at least 3 months and then you can discard it. We might have products in our house that are super random and not necessarily something that brings us joy, but at the same time, they still hold a utility value. So just to give you a simple example, it could be maybe your vacuum cleaner or something as basic as a cleaning cloth that you use every day. It doesn't exactly spark joy to you, but it's still useful and it is almost used every day in our house. So even if there are products you don't see yourself using much, but you're still like confused, keep it for 3 months before making the decision of actually discarding it. Step 5: tidy with intention and gratitude. Every single item you touch and find a place for in your house, it must be met with immense gratitude. Even when you're folding clothes, put intention and fold your clothes neatly while silently thanking what they do for you. There is a proper step-by-step guidance on how to fold every kind of clothing in the book that made me realize that putting intention behind even the little things like folding can make such a huge difference. Not only does it consume less space, but it also looks so much neater and put together, and I'm filled with so much gratitude in my heart every single time I finish this activity. I always practice gratitude, but this form of practicing gratitude was really new to me, so it felt really good. That was it, the magic formula for keeping your house tidy, and it requires just 2 abilities if you see it in a way. The first ability is to keep what sparks joy, and the second ability is to put everything back in its place. This was my little attempt to tidy up my closet, my bed, my skincare and makeup organizer, and let me tell you, it was so satisfying. Coming back to a tidy room has its perks. Your mood is uplifted and the room somehow feels more cozy and joyful. According to Marie Kondo, life truly begins only after you've put your house in order, and I couldn't agree more with it. I hope this video inspired you today to tidy up and relax with a good book and a cup of hot tea like me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Lots of love. Bye.